Hey guys, for this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make documents on your iPhone. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to easily create documents. So, as you can see, there's this app right here that says Docs. This is Google Docs. Once you open it, you are met with this screen right here. So, just tap on the plus button at the bottom right of the screen. You can either choose a template from the many templates they have, or just tap on New Document. You can also type a name for your new document. So just tap on that, and now you can type whatever you want in here. You can even edit the letters, make it bold, italic, underlined, centered. You can also add these. And that's pretty much how you make documents. It's very simple and easy, and I hope this video helped. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments, suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.